Some of the things that is important is to update applications you have downloaded. So you have something called App Store, which is the main store where you can download and install applications. And when it comes to iAnnotate and other applications you have bought, we primarily recommend to do updates on them regularly. So in this case, we have two updates, and that is some applications which are already installed on the iPad. So we recommend going here and then doing updates once a week or something, so you have the latest software installed on your iPad. And obviously you can just press update all, and it will automatically ask for the password, and we just pressed OK, and it will install the applications for you. This is a small introduction video for the Geo 4220 course. We're just going to show you how you use iAnnotate PDF in a daily environment. So let's start with starting the application called iAnnotate PDF. You guys are probably familiar with this application. And let's go to the library first, where we have all our files. I have been downloading all of your slides from Fronter. So the slides you see here is actually the slides you have in your Fronter repository. So let's start with the first slide, where we have different things. So I'm gonna show you how you make notes with iAnnotate. Let's say that this map is interesting for you and you want to do something or want to make some notes around it. So we can begin with the first tool option here, which is the note button. And then you can have notes wherever you want. So let's say that we want to have the notes in South. So type in test and let's mark it and then minimize it. So next time you go here, you will actually find the notes, and you can just press once on it and you will find your text. Let's move on. Let's say that you want to have some text written with a pen. The option you use then is the pen writing tool. There is no official stylus for iPads, and a normal pen won't work on this monitor. So, but the option is still here, and you can use a stylus. But I'm gonna just show you how it works with a finger. So you can have different things there, and then you can write things underneath it, and you can also change the font size and everything. So it's a bit hard to write with your finger, of course, but it's not meant for your finger. I just want to show you the tool. So let's continue here. And the next option here is to do annotation. So let's find a text where you can annotate. This headline looks something that is interesting. Let's try to annotate it. Here we go. And let's say we want to do some note around it or write a comment about it. This headline rocks. I'm just writing with one hand, and that's because it's because of the filming. Here we go. So next time you will go here, you will find the note. So let's move on to the next option, which is underlining. So you can underline different text. So let's try to underline the first sentence here. I didn't meant to do that. Let's try again. Let's delete it. And try again. Here we go. And you can, of course, have comment on it. Let's just type in test. And there's a new color, so it's automatically red. Here we go. Done. And you also have different options here, like a stamp, where you can have predefined things. So let's say that we want this to be confidential. It's a big logo, but you can adjust that in the settings menu, and you can move it around.